Put your hands on your hips and feel your bone. And feel that soft spot right inside the bone. Iliacus loose. Then you're going to take your ball and you're going to place it right in that soft spot. And then you roll over onto your stomach so that it's there. You can start by being flat. You can go up on your elbows. Try these things out. Go up on your elbows. Bend your knee on that side. Windshield wiper your leg back and forth. Lift your entire leg up off the ground. Bring it back down. All the way down. Foot down. Take your opposite leg and mountain climb it out to the side.
Really?
Here, bring your knee up like this.
Barbie crawl.
Yeah. So these are all ways you can play with the ball.
I have to say there's enough noise to say we have some tight iliacus in the house.
Okay, so the key with any muscle release is that you have to hold it. You cannot rub it. If you rub it, it's not going to work. It's not going to give you long-lasting relief. You find the spot that feels like it's got the most pressure, that feels really good, like it's tight, and you hold that over about 30 seconds time.